170 miles away. Where am I going from? What's my area? What?
500 for this is crazy.
Okay, well here's a Jacksonville. Chris, look. This he's selling. It doesn't look like it's free, but that's a little.
Big.
That's a little big.
It's too big.
Um,
I've been looking at these. I've had 3 people cancel on me.
Why is it mixing stuff up like so far away? Okay.
These are pretty affordable.
How much is that?
That's
80?
80 for
Grab it. Let's get it. Look how tall.
Very tall.
I don't think our roof is that tall by your wall.
That's what I'm thinking.
Well, it has a second piece that goes on. I don't know if they charge for that second piece or not, but that's optional piece.
Yeah, I see that.
That's going to be a little too wide.
This would be good.
Well, this is Billy Versatile Bookshelf, work storage unit. Here, see, this piece is an extra 30. Height extension unit. That would be 30, so this would be 80.
Right, so these are all the same. It's
I
just
don't like
different
the
colors.
light, to be honest with you, but if you took, it's like this. Look, it's 3 feet. Let me see something. That's 3 feet also. And then you have black, 3 feet.
That looks nice too.
Well, that's a light brown.
Oh wait, what? It comes with a...
Uh,
Well, it doesn't come with it, but...
yeah, but the door's not going to open. This is a desk.
1, 2, 3. They look like they're the same size, so...
Mm-hmm.
Wow. How much though?
$233. It's too tall.
It is too tall, unfortunately.
You'd have to move and put the